Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hallie. For those of you who are new here or do not watch my videos, I do a lot of decorating, cleaning, organizing type of videos on my channel, and today is going to be a Halloween decorate with me and a little bit of cleaning. I have already done my fall decor and I will post the link to that video down in the description if you haven't watched it. And this will be kind of a short video because I leave up the majority of my fall and I just take down certain areas and transform them to Halloween decor. So it's not very long and I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'll link everything that I can below and the links to the other fall and Halloween videos from last year as well. So give me a thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so this bat wall with the hanging witch hat was my absolute favorite feature from last year, so I recreated it this year. However, this year I purchased pre-cut bats from Target. Last year I cut them all out by hand out of construction paper, and that was just way too time consuming, and I was not going to do that again. So I saw they had pre-cut bats, and I think they had cats or spiders or something else, but I got the bats. They came in packs of 10 and they just have a little sticky adhesive on the back, and that made this so much easier. But I love how this turned out. It's probably my favorite part of the house.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. But when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Alright, ooh baby just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic. And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic. And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Maybe you got me. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me.